request Mr. S.Prabakaran, Senior Advocate and Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India, to felicitate the young entrants. Please.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice M. Srivastava, Honorable Justice Sundar Mohan, Madam Sundar Mohan, my esteemed friend Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman of this Council, Mr. Vel Karthikeyan, Vice-Chairman-BCI of Tamilnadu and Puducherry, Mr. R. Vidudalai, Senior Advocate, Member of this Council, Mr. K. Balu, Chairman of the Enrolment Committee, Madam Priscilla Pandian, Chairman Executive Committee, Mr. Lingeswaran, District Judge, my friend Mr. Vel Murugan, Mr. Hari Velagan, Mr. Mutram Lingam, and Mr. Jodhimani, and the persons, those who are members, family of those enrolling lawyers today, senior advocates, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have all gathered here for the enrollment ceremony of the young legal minds sitting in front of the Chief Justice of Madras High Court. I can for sure say that the enrollment ceremony is going to mark a new beginning in the lives of our young aspirants. Moreover, your people more blessed and privileged as you are all getting enrolled in the presence of the Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court. His Lordship is the star of today's event, and his presence will add more glory to this event, and I can say with much conviction that this day will be unforgettable and most cherished experience all of you. The reason why I said this day will be the most cherished moment is because of the young minds who just got enrolled or going to receive the words of wisdom from His Lordships, whom himself is a testament for justice being served by the courts and has agreed to be here in part of legal mastery, aptitude and experience to a younger generation of the bar. Still I remember those days when we all enrolled only 40 members of the bar only enrolled. But nowadays, around nearly 10,000 lawyers are enrolling. Because the reason is, there are more than 50 colleges, 48 colleges has been in functioning in Tamilnadu, and nearby the suburban, people have come from the other states also. But what I have been trying to say, you have to know the significance of this profession, and mainly the young members of the bar are appearing and very much interested to do the legal profession. At the same time, the parents' dream, many people, not everybody has come from Chennai. That's what I told the Chief Justice. These nearly 1,000 lawyers enrolling today throughout the state, even from the rural background, just out of 1,000, 10% lawyers only be a second generation, the remaining are all the new entrants as in the field. So in such circumstances, what we should do, how to make successful in this profession, how the lawyers to go. Suppose many lawyers nowadays we should appreciate the law colleges. Many of the, even those who are studying the college, from second year, third year, fourth year, they are law entrants to the many number of senior lawyers, and the legal field and companies, they are taking some training. That should be appreciated. Because after they enrolled, even you can go and appear tomorrow, it's of no issue. Within 2 years, you have to pass the All India Bar examination. Last week, one query which has been raised by the Supreme Court, whether the new entrants can argue the matter or enter into wakalat. You can enter into wakalat, no issue. You can enter into a wakalat, at the same time you can argue before the court of law also, no issue. But how to maintain the dignity and decorum of the institution is more concern. Because many number of lawyers, even I see, throughout the country we are having a meeting and having the conversation with the members of the bar. Some members of unruly, some members are very rude, some members they are thinking once if you are wearing these black coats, we can do anything in this world. It's not correct. You can't do that. Even comparing with the common public, you must have more discipline. You must respect the court. You must respect the judges. Each and every day you should go and sit at least minimum, I am requesting you, please all at least minimum 10 years concentrate in the profession, legal profession. Otherwise you can't come up in the big life. If you want to success in your legal field, at least you must have more and more concentration. Vidudalai rightly said, you have to read the law books, at least one judgment in one day. I am not saying that one judgment every day should fall, but at the same time, you should know the court craft. Court craft is more important. You should read the mind of the judge, what the judge is doing. Some judges are very free. Even Justice Sundar Mohan, he will pass orders. If youngsters are appearing, they will grant bail immediately, there's no issue. But that time you are all lucky. That will get once in a year, one bonus you will get. But what I am trying to say, first you must read the minds of the judges, how to approach the case, how to argue before the court, and everything you should be learned. Then only then you can, after 3 years, I have seen many number of ladies today also, 1/3 ladies are enrolled, but quite some time later they all disappeared. What I am requesting, even after marriage, please give your children to the husband and come to the profession. Okay, don't leave this profession. This profession always will help you, because I know, because I am just first generation of lawyer in my profession, in my family. After in this profession, after 10 years, I did not enroll in any activities in the associations. After 11th year, I contested, I was elected, that's all different issue. But at the same time, to maintain the dignity of this institution will take you in somewhere. That is the more important. Otherwise, if you rude behavior, if any conduct, this is the world is a slippery world. Suppose if you are walking, if you are not seeing the place, you will immediately slippery and you will file. So therefore, you should be very careful what type of cases. Without reading the papers, don't go and attend the cases. Even if your senior insists, the senior go and attend. But at the same time, senior is not there. Don't take adjournments. You argue the case. You read the bundle. That is the only opportunity I will get. You don't get immediate opportunity to speak and everything. Argue before the court of law, slowly one by one. Its later point will take 1, 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. So therefore I am requesting you, because your parents' dream has come today. Is it true that my daughter, my children, my father, my son, everybody has a lawyer today? So therefore I am requesting you, your family, God will stand with you always, and then you have a very nice Chief Justice in Madras High Court. Your Chief Justice will help you always. Even you can go and appear before the first court, no issue. I am praying God, and you should have a very successful in your life. Thank you very much.